Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I came to Taj again because I like Taj. So let's go welcome. Look, she's wearing my Tulsi Mari. Welcoming to the Taj. Let's go now. Walk around. I'm going with my auntie to the food court now. Let's go. Enjoy some views. That's my sister. Look, those are nice flowers. That's a sandal. There are so many sandals. Now let's go to the food court. Enjoy some views also. That's a big piano, but it's locked. So there is the food court. Let's see what's there. Okay, now let's go. Look, there are big towers. There's a waterfall in the front. There. Does it look nice? Tell me in the comments. This is the table and some things. So now let's go. There is the foods. Here are some things you may like. Sweets, curd, and some lettuce, salads, and some fries. So now we'll go to the room. These are some cashews and things, and these are some honey and things. These are the breakfast: beetroot salads and curd, hummus, and some fruits. This is some chicken, biryani, rice, and some curd rice. So now let's go. Look some things. This is dal.
Soya keema curry.
Soy keema curry. And this is dal. And this is paneer, my favorite. Tell me in the comments.
Mushroom, satay mushroom. Also want this egg beans.
Okay.
This is the
Boiled egg.
boiled egg. Trinity,
Hmm?
This is Malabar fish curry with rice. The chicken stir.
Okay. Sitting.
Now this is the lunch. This is biryani, and this is another egg biryani, and this is paya soup, and this is curd, and this is dal. This is another curd. This is the salad. This is some cake, and this is paneer, and this is lentil. This is badam ka halwa. So now let's eat.